Alright, guys. I just want to give you an update. I have made a good 2020 from his save. I had this, so I locked it when it leaves. So I could do demonstration. So now none of these work. Now to unlock it, you have to put your card here. So I did have lights here. I do for the first place, but kind of modify this basically. Um, it's very we took trial and error to do it, and you have to make sure that all of this. Wow, I didn't know that. That we have this. That the timing is all correct on every of the on the reviews down here. Like I see a lot of them that is not like that. So just notice that there. Try and error from try and error from making this into a press rate version instead of a button version. It took me a long time to make this. Um, it actually took very long. Wait, why is that on two text? Hold on. Um, basically, um, basically what's happening here is that when you step on the press rate, it sends signals to these sliced or less than one notches. Um, it's two six like say the last, and then these reset the other or less middle notches so that they don't get mixed up. And but you can also make it into like an ordering system, which is kind of nice. But I only have it set to my home, but I hadn't set it anywhere else yet. And this is an anonymous server, as you can see. That's not grayed out. Um. Also, like you could also make an adventure that when they step on the press space, it will reset, which is nice. And I have this here so that if this gets all the way up to 5, this light lights up. Right now it's not lit. This one it's kind of reversed basically, but when the cards are when the lights off, if the lights is on, you have to refill the cards in here, and that's basically like it. But when you make this in designs, better go for this one as well when you want to follow the tutorial. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Goodbye.